Tomorrow's youth day and we're getting ready to go hunting. Hopefully I can get my first buck. And we got all the stuff and we're ready to go tomorrow morning. See you. Good morning. It's youth day and we're going to the hunting land to see if we can get a big buck.
Here we go, guys. We're in the truck, all loaded up, ready to roll out. Just gonna say a quick prayer and we'll be on our way. All right. God, thank you for this day. Thank you for our family, for James. I pray that if it's your will, God, I pray that we'll be blessed today with a deer that James can shoot, and even better if we could have a really nice buck, that would be great. But even more, God, we appreciate the time and the friends that allow us to do this, and the opportunity we have to spend with each other and just enjoy what you've created. Keep us safe. Amen. A lot of deer come from that tree line behind us, but there's a lot of property. I mean, it could come from anywhere.
Just straight ahead.
Or we could see nothing at all. So, that's part of the fun. It's part of the fun of deer hunting. Never know what kind of day you're going to have.
It's 3.
Never know what you're going to see. I've seen 14 deer one day. It's all 14. 9 of them were bucks. So
Out here.
yeah, that was on the other side of the field. I saw 2 bucks fighting. I saw a piebald that day. I just saw a ton of deer. But I didn't shoot anything because I was having fun watching them. And nothing was really shoot anyways. There's days where you don't see anything. You just sit out there and enjoy outside and God's creation and enjoy what He made for us to enjoy. Shot if it was a buck. Still, she was standing. It's gonna come down this way. Still.
we saw five doe and one buck. But I would shoot the buck, but it was in like an uncomfortable position. It was facing toward us, and I couldn't take that shot. But we saw a doe, and it got pretty close, and it was cool. Yeah, that's it.
Thanks for watching the youth hunt with me and James. We had a lot of fun. We got to see some deer, and we had some had some good laughs and some conversation, and that's really, I mean, just as important to me to make memories and experience with my kids. And thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you can get notified when we get more videos popping up. See you in the next one.
I didn't get a buck, but I got a cookie.